Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase a DarkMySite Pro plugin for your WordPress website and how we can deliver it to your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on the product page, DarkMySite Pro product page. And otherwise you have to open your browser and type for Bloggingify store and open our website and search here what you need. So basically we have lots of themes and plugins. So if you need anything else, so just click on the search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about DarkMySite Pro. So we have three plugins for dark mode: Dark Love Pro, DarkMySite, and QS Dark Mode. So you can select according to your needs. So in this video we'll talk about DarkMySite Pro. So let me just click on it, and here's the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Used for one domain, update validity, lifetime, auto update, installation. Manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process with original license key. License type, we have original license key, as you know. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now after that you have to fill your billing information. That is your first name, your last name, your WhatsApp number with country code, your email address for the billing, and create a account password for Bloggingify store, and select your payment method according to your countries and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your DarkMySite Pro plugin on your WordPress website with original license key. So you will receive lifetime auto update. So that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.